and this is it is to become spiritual people. Why is it necessary? But I want to give my short introduction. It's me, Gant Verma, from class 10 of Holy Angel Secondary School. Now I am going to start my speech about science and spirituality. Science and spirituality are not antithesis. They are the same thing. Two wheels of the same car. Science and spirituality are the two faces of the same coin. Science deals with physics and spirituality deals with spirit. Science deals with material and spiritual deals with spirit. One deals with visible and other deals with invisible. One deals with knowledge and other deals with wisdom. One deals with the outer and other deals with the inner. So they are complementary to each other. They are complementary to each other. I want to express some example about spirituality by giving you one example. Let's take the example of famous person and simplest person, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji, being a man of peace, which is believed in the coordination, or which believe in the right coordination or combination of two, which brings peace and success. He has said a quotation. His quotation or spirituality is that fearlessness is the first requisite of spirituality. Fearlessness is the first requisite of spirituality. Cowards can never be moral. And it is true also. I want to go saying something about science. Science is lame without spirituality. Real progress, development, achievement, peace, it is only possible when science and spirituality go hand in hand. Science and spirituality go only hand in hand. Today science is developing rapidly. In every field. The prominent among them are information technology, communication technology, space technology, air technology. There are different types of technology discovered by scientists. But spiritual means what? Spiritual means the truth only. Spiritual is a pure science. In which there is no place for blind beliefs. Because blind belief creates all sorts of confusion. And divides the creation whether it is sentient or insentient. But so scientist is a more spiritual personality than any. So called spiritual fluid of society. Scientist is also called spiritual hero in our society. Because scientists have sacrificed their whole life after the truth only. Scientists have sacrificed their whole life after the truth only. As well as I just imagine in our old ages, our sages spent their whole life in searching for truth only. And like so to become spiritual, no ritual is required. Only the things which is required, we have to search for truth. Only the things which is required to become spiritual, we should have to search for truth. Then who are the spiritual person? I want to explain it. Who are the spiritual person? They are the person who search the truth only. And blind beliefs and rituals cause pain to them. They truly go through the Holy Scripture. Which helps to understand the science behind it. These are above indicated the origin of imagination and consciousness. They listen to everybody opinion and try to find the truth in them. They do not conflict with anybody because they are satisfied with their truth. Spiritual person do not do conflict with anybody because they are satisfied with their truth. They love to everybody. They do not have any type of ego. They are open-minded person and they know the change in the law of nature. They do not have any type of ego, and they have high capacity of tolerance. They are truthful person. Then why spirituality is important? Spirituality is important because it has different aspects of human functioning. Spiritual people have positive relationship, high self-esteem, self-actualization, and meaning and purpose of life. It helps to lead the meaning and purpose of life. As well as there are different types of spirituality, such as spiritual but not religious, spiritual but not religious, as well as universalism and Unitarian. It means one. Universalism, there must be one. They are universalism and Unitarian. You know, there is a soul in our body, soul, which is driver in our body, due to which only our physical body part alive. I want to say one example as I want to say example. If there is a car on the road, then car cannot move itself. Car cannot move itself. There must be a driver to move the car on the road. As also in our body, there is a presence of soul through which our physical body only part alive. So we should pray for our soul. There are different areas of spirituality, such as physical, social, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual. There are some pillars of spirituality which are composed of different three aspects, such as relationship, purpose, value, etc. You know, a healthy spirituality gives us sense of peace. Healthy spirituality gives us sense of peace, wholeness, and balance among the physical, social, emotional, and our lives. And spiritual is the path which leads to the meaning and purpose of our life. It has included the relationship, practice of philosophy, and the way of living. It helps to learn the way of living. So you can also be a spiritual. You have to follow some steps. Then how can we become spiritual? We can also become a spiritual by following some steps, as we should help others, love others, unconditionally loving, equality and justice, as well as practice of patience, learn to forgive, it is humility. So these are the things which we have to follow in our daily life to become a spiritual people. We can also become a spiritual people in our life. So if you want to be a in your everyday life, as well as spiritual prayer is also beneficial to our health, to mental health, physical health, as well as it helps to reduce depression, live longer, lower blood pressure, as well as it has a different aspect. To develop spiritual, it has included prayer, meditation, chanting, breathing exercise, etc. So I think I have taken much more time. Now I am going to stop my speech here because program has to go ahead. And thank you for giving me a precious time to listen to my speech. If I have done any mistake, please forgive me. Now I am going to stop my speech.